Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and this is like a dusty purple and green kit that I gathered. Yeah. So yeah, this is a round doily kit in this dusty dusty purple or dusty lavender kit. Okay, you will for the kit you will receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these beautiful color doily, and the small like this. Okay, and also you will have this to applicate. You can cut, yeah, you can use this many piece here, and also one of these how to call this, coaster, or yeah, embroidery one. Okay, this is the doily. So, and also I print out this beautiful matching color fabric floral to match with this kit. Okay, so, and also for the kit you also have this beautiful beaded wedding lace. Okay, half yard, and also one of these appliques, and also one of these beautiful beaded, you can see the beads, beautiful piece applique here. So, and also you will have different of the trim and laces matching color. So you have two yard of this tiny ruffle trim, and also this beautiful shimmer like a wool, yeah, wool trim. I don't know how to call this trim. You can see. Okay, that's so okay, and also include of this like a organza ribbon with this matching color. Okay, two different pattern, and also this beautiful, this will I provide 2 yard of this very soft like a tutu. You can see the thing, polka dot trim. Okay, beautiful, 2 yard of this. So, and this also 2 yard matching color with this lace trim, and this also, this 1 yard. Okay, and this is just now I show you that one is very thin, and this is like about 2 inches. This is half, I think. Yeah, this nice. Okay, this also I put 2 yard of this. This very soft and the color is beautiful. Okay, so you got two this one, and I also include of this elastic. That's the green, and this mint green. This match with this color is so well. I love this. So I also include this of the gem. This braided. How to call this gem? Yeah. Also include this in this kit. Okay, and also with this chiffon rosette trim. Also in 2 yards of this. Okay, beautiful color. Dusty, not pink, but yeah, like maroon or something like so. Yeah, this. Okay, this is the tiny, and now I show you this Venice lace. This beautiful embroidery. Okay, also 1 yard here, and this gathered chiffon. This only half yard. Okay, this color, and the tangle, and this only half. No, these are like 20 inches tassel. Okay, of course I don't have much. This is the what I have, and also I include this, my forever favorite, and I dyed with this matching color. Okay, yeah, for the past kit, I tea dye and I with the pink, blue, and purple, and this one is the dusty pink, dusty lavender. Okay, and this matching, and also you can see, yeah, this one I also match with this color piece, and Venice lace, and this beautiful lace piece, and also this beautiful rose trim. See this. Okay, also dye with this matching color, and one of these. Okay, all this is the laces. Now I show you the quite a lot here. You can see the kit here. So many things for you to play with. I'll show you the flowers. Also the ribbon flower, I make it matching color with all these dash and the small tiny leaf, and this all is matching color. Okay, and appliques here also, and I also include of this beautiful vintage love and inspire. I sew on this piece. Okay, and also you can see the shimmery butterflies, and these two different bow with beads, and all these beautiful flower and leaf pieces applique here. Okay, and do this flower and this appliques, and this all this is matching color with this kit. So this only have I make this okay. I may only have 2 kits of this one, so yeah, if you're interested, yeah, just message me for the price and the shipping, or join me in my Facebook kit group. Okay, and thanks again for everyone for your support, and yeah, taking your time to leave your comments, and for your support, and I truly appreciate each one. And bye bye and take care.